Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the RAVPower portable charger, which has 20,000 milliamp hours, 60 watts, PD3, USB Type-C, power bank with a 2-port power delivery battery pack, high capacity external battery which is compatible with MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, iPhone 11 SE, Nintendo Switch and other technical devices which are now on the market, so we can now bring the device into the frame. This is the first time you would see it when it comes in the post. Let's just get into the box. Let's see what we have. Move the box to the side. We no longer require that. We have another box that gives us the USB Type-C to USB Type-C connectivity. There we go. The power bank itself, amazing. £50 from Amazon. The link will be in the description. This is the instruction manual. Activate your privilege service. Do we need this? No, we do not. All we need is USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which is the new thing today. Faster charging. To charge this power bank, it will take about 2.5 hours and you're good to go. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.